The good news is that sunburn can be prevented, and even if it is already on your skin, you can actually get rid of it using natural remedies. Like the most affordable products you can lay your hands on, you can use them to get rid of your sunburn today. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and in today's video I'll be talking about sunburn, how to prevent it, and also how to get rid of it permanently. Okay, so this kind of video is the kind of video that you are interested to watch. Please sit back and enjoy. This is one skin concern that I know that I have not talked about on this channel, and people have been asking me in my comment section, Amarachi Favy, how can I get rid of my sunburn? This one is happening, that one is happening, I'm having sunburn, what product should I use, how should I use it, how do I get rid of my sunburn, you know, stuff like that. So in this video I'll be breaking it down and I'll be telling you everything that you need to know about sunburn. Sunburn occurs when your skin is overexposed to the UV rays. Okay, when your skin is actually overexposed to the sun, if you are always under the sun without a good protection from your sunscreen, of course, you would notice that you'll be having sunburn. Like, there's no two ways about it. Sunburn normally occurs on the cheeks or directly under the eye. Okay, you might notice that your eye area or your cheeks area are actually getting darker than other parts of your face. That means you have sunburn. Okay, there are ways that you can prevent sunburn in case you don't already have sunburn and you don't want to have sunburn. There are ways to prevent sunburn, and those ways are just simply wearing your sunscreen. I've said it over and over again on this channel that importance of sunscreen cannot be overemphasized. Like, I cannot keep talking over and over again on the importance of sunscreen. I believe that by now we all should have known the importance of sunscreen, but sunscreen will actually help you to stay protected the right way, stay protected from the harmful UV rays that come from the sun. I don't know if you're understanding my point. So that you will not be harmed, or you will not also have sunburn. Okay, this sunburn can actually be very hard to treat when it occurs on your skin, depending on your skin type. That is the reason why I keep saying that prevention is better than cure. It's better you prevent having sunburn than curing sunburn. Okay, so what am I trying to say in this video? Please, before you leave your house, especially if you know that you are going to be spending your whole day under the sun, please get yourself a sunscreen. And when I talk about sunscreens, I will not say that you should just get yourself any kind of sunscreen. Get yourself a sunscreen that has 50 SPF and above, that can help to protect your skin and also help you to stay protected from the harmful UV ray. I've done a video on sunscreens that you can get last year. I will leave the link on my comment section. I'll pin it so that you can go and watch and pick whatever that you can afford. Any sunscreen you pick from that very video will keep you protected, like it will help you to stay protected the right way. So let us just say that now you already have sunburn, okay, and you want to get rid of it. The first product that I will recommend for you would have to be this apple cider vinegar from Bragg. Okay, I know so that it is focusing. This apple cider vinegar from Bragg, I use this particular brand Bragg because I've used this like over and over again, so I can actually like vouch for this brand because I have used it personally. So how do you use apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is an organic, raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. This particular apple cider vinegar does a lot of things to our health. It actually helps in your wellness, but in today's video I'll be telling you how to use it for your sunburn. Okay, this is actually the biggest bottle, and I bought it for 11,000 naira when I purchased it. The smaller bottle I think is sold for 8,000 naira. I would advise that if you are getting, just get the bigger bottle instead of getting the small one. You just get the bigger one. Okay, yes. So this particular apple cider vinegar is actually very acidic, and I will say that when you are using it on your skin, please remember to dilute it with water. Okay, I will leave how to dilute it on the screen as you are watching. You can just take a screenshot. Do not tell me to come and type it out somewhere for you. Please take a screenshot and then know how to dilute it. If you do not dilute apple cider vinegar, you're actually going to be causing yourself more harm than good, because this thing is so acidic. I've been using this particular one since last year, and as you can see, it is still filled. Like, I've not even gone half. okay, showing you that you'll be needing more water to dilute apple cider vinegar than the apple cider vinegar itself, okay? So how do you use apple cider vinegar to get rid of sunburn? When you take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and then dilute it with the amount of water, the rightful amount of water that should be needed, okay? I actually got this particular spray, I don't know what to call it, spray mini machine last year or last 2 years, I can't remember, but I use it like then I used to have redness on my face, okay? This particular method I'm also talking about now in this video, you can actually use it to get rid of your sunburn and also redness of the face. So I will dilute my apple cider vinegar with water and then put it in this container. Okay, this is how it works. You pour it here and then I'll cover it up. You charge it, they charge the particular mini machine, then I will charge it and then you charge it through here with a USB cord here, and then I'll press here, okay? As you can see, there is steam coming out already. You will now use it to just, steam your face very, very well. It is not hot, so do not be afraid. You now use it to apply on your face. Then that way the apple cider vinegar and the water would not penetrate your skin, and you leave it to rest on your skin for 10 to 12 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes depending on your patient's level, okay? But if you do not have this particular machine, or I don't know what to call this, if you do not have this, okay, I would say that you should get a spray bottle. You know the spray bottles that we use when we want to like treat our hair or we want to spray something. Do you understand? Any empty spray bottle that you have in your home, you add your diluted apple cider vinegar in it and use it to spray your face whenever you are back from wherever you went to. So the first step is to wash your face. Cleanse your face with a good cleanser. I will recommend face pat or simple, a cleanser that will not, do too much. It will not strip your skin off its natural oil and stuff like that. Just use it to wash your face. And once you're done washing your face, you use your diluted apple cider vinegar to, apply on your face. Leave it to sit into your face for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your patient's level. And after that, the next product to go in with would be aloe vera gel. Yes, aloe vera gel. Particular product right here, okay? This is aloe vera gel. I just purchased this particular one today for the purpose of this video, okay? Yes, this aloe vera gel have a lot of importance aside from getting rid of sunburn. I think I will attach a testimony. That's if the person typed it out. But if it is voice, so there's no how I can actually attach it. For someone I recommended it for, and the person like was telling me how she got rid of her sunburn just in 2 weeks by using this particular product. When I mean the aloe vera gel is good, I mean it is good. As long as you get anyone that is from a good brand, that is in the kind of shape or just in a green bottle like this, it will work. Like it works. So what do? You apply a good amount of aloe vera gel on your face. Yes, you apply on your forehead, on your cheeks, on your jaw. Like this particular girl I recommended it for said, in her words, I used to plaster it on my face. I don't know if you're going to understand this particular English, but what it means is that she used to apply like enough on her face. So she applies more than enough on her face. This particular aloe vera gel would help to calm your skin. It will help to lock in all the moisture. It will help to lock in the ingredients from the diluted apple cider vinegar. And also aloe vera gel helps to target sunburn areas and helps it to fade away with time. Remember that you have to be very patient when you're using all these products. These are natural remedies that can help you get rid of sunburn. It's not a quick action, so you will not expect that to work immediately. But if you are doing it morning and night, like daily, morning and night, you'll be noticing effective results after 2 weeks. Like after 2 weeks, you're going to come back to this channel to thank me, okay? Yes. So when you are done using your aloe vera gel to, lock in all the ingredients from the diluted apple cider vinegar and also help to moisturize your face and keep your face moist, and also help to get rid of your sunburn, because it does this. Aloe vera contains properties that would help to get rid of your sunburn. It contains a lot of vitamins that will target those areas and help to fade it away. Like within just few weeks. Okay, yes. So once you are done with this particular one, especially if you are doing your morning skincare routine, the next thing to do is to go in with your sunscreen. Go in with your sunscreen. See, all these things will not work if you're not using a good sunscreen. All these things will not work if you are not protecting your skin from the harmful UV ray. If after doing all these things and then you go out there again with your face like that, you're not going to be getting any good result. Like, I can tell you for sure. Like, you're not going to be seeing any good results. Okay. And we know that now the weather is so hot, like the sun is blazing hot. So you need a sunscreen in your routine, especially in your morning skincare routine. So for sunscreens, I would recommend my ever, best sunscreen of the year, which is Bio UV sunscreen. This particular sunscreen is a watery essence that contains 50 SPF plus raised to power 4. Okay, so it will help to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays. It will help to keep your skin protected. And I bought the particular one for 7,000 naira, and I'm sure that in your location it will not be more than 8,000 naira. And it works. The particular one works. Okay, the main thing about sunscreen, that is the reason why you have to watch my sunscreen video, because I don't think I'll be elaborating on this sunscreen. So you're going to apply it the right way. You will apply it the right way, and then you reapply after every 2 hours, so that your skin will stay protected, especially if you are the type that that your kind of job requires that you have to be outside, like under the sun. You have to be reapplying your sunscreen. Just watch that video and you will get all the tips that you need to know about sunscreen. Okay, yes. What else about sunscreen? And when it comes to your night skincare routine, you know that you are not going to be using your sunscreen because you're not going under the sun. Okay, if you're not going out safe, I would say do not use your sunscreen. Just do the 3 steps, which is your cleanser, your diluted apple cider vinegar, and your aloe vera gel, and you are done. But if you are doing your morning skincare routine and that day you're going to be stepping out of your house, no matter where you're going to, please do the 4-step routine, which is your cleanser, your diluted apple cider vinegar, the sunscreen, the aloe vera gel, and then your sunscreen. Then for your night skincare routine, just 3 steps: your cleanser, the diluted apple cider vinegar, and then the aloe vera gel. Especially for your night skincare routine, pack that aloe vera gel on your skin so that your skin will get all the benefits from the product. If you have watched a particular point of the video and you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. It helps me to grow. It helps me to know that you are loving the content that I am putting up here. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload another video. Okay, yes, on this channel I do amazing things, so you might want to stay subscribed and also turn on your notification bell so that you would always watch my content, so that this year we will all glow together. Okay, this year our team is to glow up. Okay, also leave a comment in the comment section in case you are confused or you have used any of this product and it worked for you. I want to know, I want to hear all about it. I always reply to my comments, so please leave a comment in the comment section. It helps me to know that you are actually like engaging in this content that I'm creating. And share this video to someone that you know that is battling with sunburn and has been struggling over the years to get rid of it. Share this video to such persons. Okay, give it to them as a gift in this year 2025. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.